What if I told you scientists aren't just reading the human instruction manual anymore? They're writing it. And not just editing a sentence or two, but typing out all 3 billion letters, creating a human genetic code from scratch. This is the goal of the Synthetic Human Genome Project, SynHG. This is the line where biology meets creation. And the ethical questions are more explosive than anything we faced before. This isn't CRISPR. CRISPR is like using a tiny genetic word processor to find and fix a typo. SynHG is printing a completely new book. Researchers start with chemical components A, T, C, and G and physically assemble them in the lab. The goal is to build all 46 human chromosomes piece by piece. The Welcome article confirms that scientists have taken the critical first steps, successfully assembling segments and chromosomes. They are showing that the full synthesis of the human blueprint is technically possible. This is the ultimate feat of engineering, a system of pure genetic logic. But why go to this extreme length when we already have human DNA? The scientific potential is monumental. A synthetic genome would be a perfectly optimized starting point, a clean slate. Imagine creating cell lines that are completely resistant to every known virus, or designing universal donor cells that never trigger an immune rejection. This could revolutionize regenerative medicine, allowing us to grow perfect organs without the risk of disease or genetic fault. For scientists, it offers an unprecedented tool, a programmable human cell. It allows us to systematically test genetic functions that are impossible to study in naturally occurring DNA. The promise is a radical reduction in human suffering. Now for the hard part. The controversies are vast, and they're why this research is being managed with unusual transparency. First, misuse. If you can write a human genome, you can program any trait, good or bad. This is a potential roadmap for designer babies, or worse, weaponized biological code, a biosecurity nightmare. Second, what is human? If we create life using code written in a lab, what does that do to the definition of humanity? Does the absence of biological parents strip away some ethical protections? Third, ownership. Who owns this perfect synthetic code? If it's patented, does that mean the foundation of future medicine belongs to a private entity? The project itself understands these risks, which is why they are emphasizing the need for public debate and ethical oversight before the technology runs wild. The ability to fully write the blueprint of human life is no longer science fiction. It is happening right now in labs around the world. SynHG holds the key to solving some of our toughest biological problems, but only if we can solve the profound, difficult questions it raises. We are facing a choice: radical cures at the cost of control, or cautious ethics that condemn us to continue suffering. The lines are being drawn now. Do we become the writers of our own evolution, or do we leave that role to chance?